have today Kenmore dryer, electric dryer, and something wrong here. When we try to run the cycle, it do some click, some motor noise, but nothing happens inside. A drum doesn't rotate, stay in place, and looks like we need to change the motor. Let's go. So dryer is open, and we check the motor. It's no resistance, and we're gonna to replace it because the motor, this is an issue. So we finished the repair, and let's see what's happening now. Absolutely different story. So replacing the motor and a blower assembly just help us to bring the Kenmore dryer to the life.